Namaste Vidya, Sara Kushro Vidya. Myself, Dr. Bardar Singh, Department of Durgagun, Faculty of Ayurveda, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about Sariva Dvayam. The two varieties of Sariva together mentioned as Sariva Dvayam. They are Shwet Sariva and Krishna Sariva. Shwet Sariva is identified as Hemidaphne indicum, while Krishna Sariva identified as Echinocarpus fruticans. In the name of Sariva, commonly Shwet Sariva is used. Hemidaphne indicus, family Asclepiadaceae, arcful. Charak mentions स्तन्य शोधन महाकषाय, स्तन्य शोधन महाकषाय, पुरी संग्रहणीय महाकषाय, ज्वरग्न महाकषाय, दाहप्रशमन महाकषाय, and Madhuriskand. You should remember it. स्तन्य शोधन, पुरी संग्रहणीय, ज्वरग्न and दाहप्रशमन महाकषाय. And Shushut mentioned in Sarivadi, Vidari Gandhadi and Valli Panchmur. हिंदी में इसे अनंत मूल कहते हैं. पर्याय और उसके अर्थ ध्वल सारिवा, handsome creeper or a beautiful variety of creeper. Sariva, Shariva, extensively spreading twinner. Gopa, a creeper grows in shades of other plants. Gopkanya, grows hidden like that of Urjit. Prashodri, the stems are thin. Shama, the stems are black in color. Gopvadhu, it grows hidden under other plants like a virgin. Sputa aspota. The fruits are disdiascent, vocally. It is reared like a family member or it grows hidden under after plants. Lata, a creeper variety. Chandana, Chandan sariva, the plant smells like that of sandalwood. Sugandhi mula, the roots are aromatic. Platanic, a creeper growing extensively. Funny jivvika, the leaves are like serpent tongue. Bhadrevallika, the creeper is strong. Utpal Sariva, the aroma is like that of lotus. Ananta, extensively spreading creeper. Main feature Sariva is an extensively spreading twinner usually grows in the shades of other plants. The leaves are like serpent's tongue. Fruits are dehiscent. The roots are the part used as medicine and the pleasant aroma like that of sandalwood. Habitat Utpatti Stan distributed all over India, mostly in the forest, flowering during greater part of the year. Habit Swaroop, a twining or a prostrate shrub, leaves 2 to 4 inches long, elliptic, oblong or linear lanceolate, obtuse or acute, apiculate, usually glabrous, dark green or mottled, with white above, pale or slightly white, and sometimes pubescent manner, midrib stout, veins reticulate, petioles 1 by 6 inches long, pedicels short, clothed with many ovate, acuate, invaricating brackets, calyx 1 by 10 inches long, glabrous, outside lobes ovate, acuate, margin ciliated, corolla 1 by 5 to 1 by 4 inches long, greenish, outside purple, within tube, very short, lobes fleshy, ovate, oblong, acuminate, valvate follicles 4 to 6 inches long, seeds 1 by 4 to 1 by 3 inches flattened black, coma 1 inches long, purple, fur white, उपयुक्त अंग used मूल. Description of the part: woody, cylindrical and tortuous, root up to 30 cm long and up to 6 mm in diameter. The outer surface is grayish purple or reddish brown in color, longitudinally fissure and transversely cracked. A transversely cut portion shows a narrow, hollow stand in the center, surrounded by yellowish cambium ring and a lily white fertile layer. Fracture short at the periphery and fibrous in the center. Odor slightly camphorous. Taste aromatic and bitter. गुण रस मधुर टिक वियेशी गुण गुरुस्निक विपाक मधुर दोष कर्मता वात पित्त शामक रोगग्न कर्मता फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शंस शुक्रल अग्निमांद्यहर रुच्य श्वासग्न कासग्न आमवाथर विषग्न रक्त प्रदरहर ज्वरग्न अतिसारहर मूत्र विरेचन मूत्र विरंजन श्वेत जनन त्वक दोषहर रक्त शोधक वर्ण उत्तेजक रसायन मल्य दाह प्रशमन पुरी संग्रहणीय स्तन्य शोधन. How we प्रयोग in Vrakshod, wherein Mutra becomes thick and reddish. A pant prepared with saliva, guduchi, and jeerak is given. In second stage of Virangrog and in other Twakrog, saliva and guduchi is given. In children suffering from Dorvalya, Pandu, etc., it is given with Vedang. In children who are only on milk diet, a rasayan is prepared with ghar, cooked with sarshap, vacha, mamsi, Pyasa, Apamarg, Satavi, Shariva, Brahmi, Pipli, Haridra, Kusht and Sandhav is given. It promotes Bal, Buddhi and Shakti. In Visham Jwar, a path is prepared with Patol, Sariva, Musta, Patha and Katuka is given. In Kust, a preparation is made with Vasa, Tripla, Brahti, Ushi, Patol, Sariva and Katuka. This is given internally used for bath, applied as an ointment or as paste. In uh, month-to-month regimen prescribed. Garbhavastha month-to-month regimen prescribed. Sariva is indicated in 4th and 9th month. A stabilized fetus and thus prevents Garbharas abort, Garbha, Garbhashya abortion. In a Vran, a lay prepared from the mool is applied. Matra dose Churan 3 to 5 grams, Kalk 3 to 6 grams, Pant 50 to 100 ml. औषध योग फॉर्मुलेशन सारीवादी क्वाथ सारीवादी बटी सारीवाद्य लेह सारीवाद्य सौ महातिक घृत एंड पिप्पल्यादि घृत केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स coumarin amistrol amidasmol substitute and adulterations root of crystal apis buchamini and echinocarpus luticans are used as substitute. These are attributed with similar properties and are mentioned under Krishna Sariva in the text. In South India, roots of Decalpus hamiltoni is commonly used as substitutes. Bhavka Nigantu says Krishna tu Sariva, Shama Gopi Gopva दूषश्च सा धमला सारिव गोपा गोप कन्या प्रचोदरी स्फोटो श्यामा गोपवल्ली लता स्फोटा च चंदना सारिवा युगलम स्वादु सिद्धम शुक्रकरम गुरु अग्निमांद्य अरुचि स्वास्कास विष्णासरम दोष त्रयास्त्र प्रदर ज्वर अतिसार नाशनम that is Sariva. Now we discuss about Pupilu. Pupilu botanical name is Struchnus nux vomica. Family Loginiaceae. Family is Loginiaceae. Full uh, Karaskar Kul. And Hindi name Kuchla. Pupilu, the fruits are like the Pilu, Salvadora persica. Tinduk, the fruits are like the Tinduk, Diospers embryophratis. Jalad prefers water place and cool place, so it is called Jalad. Dvippatraga, broadly elliptic leaves 3 to 6 inches long. Kak Tinduka, grown in forest, liked by birds like that of Tinduk fruits. Kak Piluk, it grows in forest like that of Pilu trees. Kakendu, the pulp is liked by crows. Vishtundu, the fruits are like Tinduk fruits, which is sweet but the seeds are poisonous. Market Sindhu, the pulp of the fruits is eaten by the monkeys. Meals are Kakistan, the wood is dark or black in color. Ati Muktak, the seeds are severe poison. Spurjan, the poisons act very fast. Spandita increases the pulse rate and blood pressure. Karaskar Kempak, a tree having poisonous nuts. Vishdrum Gardrum, a tree having poisonous seeds. Ramyapala, the fruits are very attractive. Kal Kutak, the fruits are having poisonous seeds. Kalsar, the stems are dark in color. Tanuk, the leaves have prominent venations. Main features a medium-sized tree with dark or clad wood. The leaves are broadly ovate with prominent veins. The fruits are attractive and look like pilu fruits or tindu fruits. The fruit pulp is eaten by crows and monkeys. The seeds are toxic and the poisonous effect will be very fast and severe. Habitat Utpatti Sthan distributed all over India, flowers in February to April. Habit Swarup, a deciduous tree, usual medium size but sometimes attaining 100 feet in height, often armed with short axillary spines, bark thin, grey, smooth or rough with lenticels. Young shoots polish deep green leaves 3 to 6 inches long. broadly elliptic, obtuse or acute, entire 3 to 5 nerve, glabrous and shining. Petioles 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 inches long, flowers many greenish, white in short, peduncle, pubescent compound. Cymes calyx 1 by 10 in long, hairy outside lobes, 5 acute corolla less than 1 by 2 inches long, glabrous or nearly so outside. Tube cylindric, hairy inside towards the base, lobes 5 narrowly oblong, acute, stamens 5 half extracted from the corolla tube, oblong, glabrous, very glabrous, 1 to 3 inches in diameter, rough and shining, orange red when ripe, seeds many 1 by 2 to 3 by 4 inches in diameter, flat grey shining cloth on both sides with fine silky hairs radiating from the center. उपयुक्त अंग part used बीज मज्जा kernel of the seeds and description of the part flat or irregular bent extremely hard thus shaped seed 10 to 30 mm in diameter and up to 6 mm thick having more or less rounded margin surface of the testa ash gray and greenish gray in color covered with numerous closely packed silky hair radiating from the center. There is a distinct hilum in the center of one of the flattened side, and on the circumference there is a small projection which marks the position of the macropyle. Internally, the seed consists a small embryo with two heart-shaped cotyledons embedded in the gray horny endosperm order none. Test extremely bitter. गुण हरा तिक्त कटु वीर्य उष्ण गुण रुक्ष लघु तीक्ष्ण विपाक is कटु दोष कर्मता कफ व क्षमक रोगन कर्मता पांचोजिलेक्शंस वात जनक and मदकारक ग्राही कफग्न पित्तग्न रक्त विकार हर दीपन पाचन उत्तेजक बल्य वाजिका हृदय उत्तेजक रक्त भार वर्धक आमिक प्रयोग थेरेपेटिक यूजेस इन उपाचन कुपिलु नवसादर and hingu are ground with Jambir Swaras made into pills of the size of Bengal gram. It elevates Pachan term and relieves other disorder like stool, etc. It is useful drug in Vajjanya Vikar. It acts as agent administered in Ardhang and Gati Brahms, Jan Brahms and Pasisura comes with Nadi Shul, etc. It is useful in Napunsakta, in Vardhakya of for Vajikaran. It is given with Loho and Marich. It is given as a stimulant in the Swas and Hriday Dorbalya, other medicines. Indicated in these diseases should be given. The bark of the root is ground with Jambir ras and made into small pills with given a Visuchika. In Kani Yukt Brand, the leaves are used as poultice. Matra dose to run 60 to 250 mg milligrams. औषध योग formulations Agni-Tundevati, Vish-Mushti, Lakshmi-Vilash, Krimi-Mudgar, and Shulhara-Yog. Modern pharmacology powdered Nux vomica is yellow-grey powder. It is included in the Indian pharmacopoeia and British pharmacopoeia. It stimulates the central nervous system and followed by depression. In poisoning, body becomes arc backward, opisthotonus, vestibules, brain and medulla, nerves and muscles are depressed. Heart is not affected in the therapeutic doses, but the blood pressure is slightly raised. The respiratory center is stimulated in toxic doses causes asphyxia. Chemical constituent strychnine, brucine, caffeine, tannic acid, and logenin. Substitute and adulterations. The drug is seldom found. Adulterated seeds of Stylox mixed balena sometimes get mixed up to the commercial sample. These seeds, though similar to Nux vomica, are smaller in size and have a brownish color. Shodhan Karm purification. The seeds are kept in Gomutra for 7 days. The seed spot is removed and boiled in shave. It is fried in broth and powdered. Then it is used. And with Lakshan toxic symptoms, use of unpurified drug when given in excessive dose causes contraction of body and establish uh, opisthotonus, dhanustham. The effect will occur within 10 to 15 minutes. Death occurred due to respiratory failure. श्वास अवरोध चिकित्सा treatment as soon as the onset of toxic effect. Stomach wash should be done. Then Vat Shamak Dravya should be given along with sheer, grit, diaphragm, karpur, ganja, tobacco, etc. is given. Bhavaprakash Nigantu says about Vishnu Tinduko Yastu Katito Jaldo Dirg Pantakah Kopiluhu Pulkah Kak Tindu Kak Vilkvah Kak Vish Tindukascha तथा मृकट तिंदुक है कोपिलु शीतलम तिक्तम वातलम मत्कृत लघु च परम व्यथाहरम ग्राही कफ पित्तास्त्रनाशनम. That's all about Kupilu. Today we discuss about two drugs today. First is Shariva and second is Kupilu. Both of most important drug in Ayurveda. So you should remember all about both of these drugs. So today's session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's Institute Jaipur, Rajasthan. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you.